Hi, this is Miss Cooper. So just so you know, you can pick one of these packets up from the library, although you're doing everything online. What I'm hearing, this no longer exists because of predators, unfortunately. But it kind of gives you a timeline of what we were expecting. Of course, the first week you were supposed to do 2 lessons, the next week 2 lessons, and then this week review and test. Next week is a makeup day, and then we have our next module. So in here, what you would see in this packet is everything's already printed out. Some of you have said you're having a hard time writing everything down. Well, pick up a packet, and then you would have everything right here. And then it has the homework all printed out for you, and then it gives you the answers. So this is valuable. You should do it. I highly recommend it. Then here's that second lesson where we talked about volume. It's got the homework and it has the answers. Now, this isn't perfect, but it's a good start, right? And it's going through some more things, all this cross section and the answers. And then the last one was that rotational. Does a good job, I think, of walking you through what's happening there. And then, of course, the answers. There's the geometry review that you guys did that I put on YouTube, and I showed you how to go through that. But it also has the answers right here. Oh, look, that's what I showed you guys. Okay, so the good news is it also has quiz questions. It looks like it has the test. So you could work through this, and then you'd be more prepared to take the actual test itself. And then here's where I suggest, right here. So this is now the stats module. Even if you're doing fine online, you might want to go between 8 and 2 and pick this up, because then we hit binomial. I've already put in 3 videos on this because it's more challenging. It's just because teachers like this one that made this make it super hard. It doesn't have to be. It can be so much easier. So look at those videos I gave you. But then what I would suggest is, this is a lot of notes that you have to know. Do you see all these interesting different notations? Like that U means the average, and that means the average plus a standard deviation. And so there's a lot more vocabulary. It's very rich in vocabulary. You can see it even has like core vocabulary information. And so I would, oh, look at that cute baby picture. I would highly recommend, now we're not going to do Z-scores, okay? I asked them to take that off, so that's not on there. But you're going to have to know how to do some of this stuff. So I'm going to highly recommend, highly, that you go pick one of these up, because again, it has all the answers in it. And you can see it's going to go through all of the different things. There's the lessons, lots of vocabulary. That kind of looks familiar, almost like we're flattening the curve. Anyways, I digress. So then it has the chapter 10 review, which of course I'll make a video of, and answers. And then here's the test. I highly recommend that you guys come and pick a packet up, especially for the stats module, and if you're struggling with our first geometry module. So it's at Hunter Library. You have to go to the school, to the library, or you can ask your parents or somebody else, from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You walk in, you say, I need this secondary math 3 packet. It should look like this. And again, we cannot use this Zoom because of predators. That's why I've been sending you out a new one each day. I hope this helps, and I hope you're having a wonderful Friday, and have a good day.